Let's do a face shave using Leaf Shave's single edge Thorn razor. I like to use warm water and make sure my skin and hair is hydrated for at least a minute before shaving. I apply shave oil next to lock in that moisture and then my shave soap on top of that. When you're using the Twig or Thorn razor, the most important thing to do is to make sure that you use light pressure, use short, smaller strokes, and you let the weight of the razor do the work. You can see right here, I'm really not pushing into my skin. I'm just letting the razor and blade do the shaving. My first pass is always with the grain of hair growth, especially if it's been months and months and months since a face shave like it has for me. If you struggle with really sensitive skin or ingrown hairs, you probably should only make with the grain passes or at the very most across grain passes. I hold the razor really loose in my hands and that allows me to make sure I'm not pressing too hard. You can see first pass goes really quick. Looks good. I'm going to lather up the other side of my face and get that done. The Leaf Shave single edge razors have really small heads. They can get under the nose really easily. If you do struggle, just pin your nose back like this. You should be able to reach anywhere you need with this. The difference between the Twig and the Thorn, they are the same body. The only difference is the Thorn's a little bit more aggressive, has a little bit more blade exposure. I like this because it's a little bit more efficient than the Twig per swipe. If you're really new to shaving with single edge razors, you might want to stick to the Twig first. But again here, you should really just take your time and use short strokes like this, rinse as needed, and make sure that you're just not pressing hard into your skin. See, that's the angle. It's about 25, 30 degrees. You can see it's a really loose hold and that angle is built in naturally to the razor, so it happens really easily. There's a few places I wanted to touch up, so I relathered, and I'm going against the grain on a couple spots just to get that even closer shave where I know I'm not gonna have skin trouble. And there you have it, super happy. Let me show you how to load the razor now. You just twist the bottom, drop a single blade in there, and a little magnet will hold it. You can use our blades or any standard safety razor blade. Happy shaving.